In this video, we will learn how to use text wrapping in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. The text wrapping, if I write here name of student, that's it, enter. You can see here that this text is out of this cell. It's called overflow. Okay. If I want to just click on the cell, you can see here the text wrapping option. You click this arrow, you get the three options. First is overflow, second is wrap, third is clip. If I You can see here the overflow option is already selected. If I selected the wrap option, you can see here the wrap listed in one cell. Now if I select the third option, clip, click on the clip, you can see here the text in between one cell. If you want to see the full statement, full word, you can see here in formula bar name of student. Hope you understand how to use this text wrapping. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.